All right, go ahead, grab your chore list because today we are gonna do a power hour cleaning. So let's go ahead and get busy.
Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever.
If your chore list is a mile long, then you picked the perfect day to check out my video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today is an awesome day because it's a collaboration hosted by Melissa Shireen and Charmaine Rosalie. And we have a group of ladies that are giving you a ton of cleaning motivation in what we call a power hour. You're gonna take your chore list, you're gonna set your timer, and you are gonna do as much as you can within that hour. Throughout the video, I might even give you a few tips and tricks to cleaning, so you don't wanna miss anything, so stay till the end. Also, I will put a playlist in the description box below of all the ladies that are part of this collaboration, so when you're finished with my video and you still have chores to do, you don't have any excuses because there are a lot of other ladies that are gonna give you cleaning motivation as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Before I get started with my power hour, I like to make a list of all the things that I need to get done. Now, if I don't finish them all, that's fine. I will take it to the next day for a 10-minute tidy, but I try to write as many things as I need to do during that hour. And I'm writing this in my Happy Planner, which if you've never used Happy Planner, I have a few videos on that. I love my Happy Planner. But anyway, this is a list of all the things that I need to do during this hour. So let me go ahead and get busy. The very first thing that I am gonna do, starting off this power hour, is to start my Roomba and also put on a load of clothes. I try to do a load of clothes every day, and typically that happens and it keeps you from having to do loads and loads and loads all in one day. So I try to start a load of laundry every day and get it in the dryer, and it may not get folded that day, but it will get washed and dried.
I don't know why you left me bleeding, with a broken heart. Tell me if I deserve this feeling. I thought that you know.
All right, my first question is, do you make your bed every day? I try to be good about making the bed every day. However, I will say, I have a lot of pillows on my bed, and I know that's my decision, and I do try to make my bed every day. However, that doesn't always get done. Sometimes it's just because I feel bad because at night, it's my husband that usually has to get the bed ready to get in the bed because I'm usually taking a bath. So I feel bad sometimes, but it is huge to get your bed made first thing in the morning. Now it's time to tackle the kitchen. I feel like once you get the kitchen clean, it just makes your house feel so much cleaner. I guess because it's a main room in the house. But anyway, I have dinner going in the crock pot. So before I clean all that up, I need to empty the dishwasher. And once the dishwasher gets emptied, then I can actually get into the cleaning portion of the kitchen countertops and putting stuff away. Yes, I'm already watching Christmas movies on Hallmark Channel. Don't judge. I do love me some Christmas movies. If you want to know what I'm cooking in the crock pot, you need to subscribe to my channel and you need to click the bell button because you'll be notified when I upload all my videos.
Feelings change and love can go, but tell me why are you so cold? What did I wrong? What was the fault? And what you say is I don't know. Feelings change and love can go, but tell me why are you so cold? What did I wrong? What was the fault? I thought that you loved me. I thought that you need me till you end up all this way.
I really do want to thank Melissa and Charmaine for hosting this collaboration. They are such awesome YouTube content creators, and their link to their channel is going to be below. So you really do need to go check out their channels, and you are going to get some great information from them. And make sure when you do visit them that you tell them I sent you. Also, please make sure you check out the playlist that's in the description box. The link is going to be below, and you are going to get so much more cleaning motivation and power hour motivation from an awesome group of ladies here on YouTube. I set this stuff aside in the office. This is stuff I need to put with my home staging stuff. And these are two things that I bought for home staging. Let me see if I can show you. That vase with the flowers. I got these on clearance at Sam's a while back for like $15, and they're $60 vases. So anyway, I'm gonna put these in the top of my closet. When I dust my furniture, I love using this mitt, and I actually got it from the automotive section at Dollar Tree, but it's a microfiber mitt, and this is what I use to do my dusting as my dusting rag. And I use a Swiffer to dust my baseboards.
Messages
This is my oldest son's room, and he doesn't live at home anymore, but I do go in there when I clean just to freshen things up and dust and vacuum. But my youngest son still lives at home, and he cleans his own room, and he actually does a good job. Now for the job that most everyone that I know hates doing, and that is mopping. However, this is my mop, and it is by Tenco, and it is a vacuum washer. It's a vacuum cleaner and a washer at the same time. However, it doesn't vacuum carpet, but on hardwood floors, y'all, this mop is a game changer. It cuts your time in half because it's a vacuum as well, but it is so awesome and so satisfying when you empty out the dirty water container and you see that your floor has gotten so much cleaner. I'm telling you, I love this mop. I got it from Amazon. I will put a link in the description box below, and also I will put a link to the video review that I did. I will put that video link in the description box as well. You truly need to check it out.
The start, I can play the game, but I'm falling again.
Right about now, I have to go empty out the reservoir, but I didn't film the rest of me mopping. Isn't this gross? But now I know my floors are that much cleaner.
Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me so. 'Cause you're in my head. You are.
All right. I only have a couple of things on my list that I didn't get to, but one of them I'm gonna ask my husband to do, so he'll do that for me. So I think I got a lot accomplished, and my house looks a lot better. But anyway, once again, thank you so much to Melissa and Charmaine for hosting this collaboration. Guys, don't forget to go check out all the other awesome ladies that are giving you some awesome cleaning motivation today. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, I am so grateful you stopped by, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell button. Click the like button if you want to see more cleaning motivation, and I will see you next time. Bye.